So guys, I'm going to be doing a sound effects test with the Nerf guns. So first up is the Nerf Fortnite TSR. Next is the Nerf Elite Jolt. Next is the Alpha Strike Fang QS4. Nerf Fortnite SPL. X-Shot Reflex 6. Elite Delta Trooper. And last is the Nerf Rival Artemis, the red one. Subscribe.